guys, this is Queen Ness and welcome. We are making another set of candle holders. We will need 3 of these tea light holders from the Dollar Tree, 3 vases all the same size also from the Dollar Tree, the silver bling wrap, a set of silver napkin rings, diamond wrap, also silver, and the Self Adhesive glass tiles. Handy dandy glue gun with sticks, of course, scissors, and my Gorilla Glue. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to be gluing some of the napkin rings together and then gluing them to the bases of these tea light holders. In order to get the different heights, we're just going to glue 2 of the napkin rings together and then 3 together, and 1 will be by itself, and glue those onto the tea light holders. This shape I have cut from paper, and that's going to help me to get the shape of the bling wrap to put on the base of the candle holders. Just going to mark it out with a blue marker, and then I'll just cut them one by one and glue them on. Now for the top, in order to get where to put the things on the side of the vase, I just put elastic bands on each vase, and then I make sure they're at the same level by going around with a ruler. I'm just going to glue the bling wrap onto each base. Cut off the excess here, and then I'll start gluing on the little pieces down at the bottom. First I had said to put one at every other one, but then when I put them close together I realized I liked it better that way, so we're just going to cover everything. Okay, now I'm just going to cut some single lengths and glue one at the top here and then another row at the bottom, so kind of carry it off a little bit. Okay, now for the top. We're going to put these mirror tiles all around the top, 2 rows on each one. I'm adding 1 row of this bling wrap at the top of the vase and 1 at the bottom. Of the diamond wrap, 1 above the glass and 1 below, to make it look even fancier. I decided to add pieces of glass and also some of the little flowers to the bottom so that the elements from the top also reflect on the bottom. For the base, we're just going to put the little flowers at every other corner instead of at each corner. Now we're gluing the top and the bottom together. Okay, they are finished and they are gorgeous. You can use them with tea lights or LED lights, whatever you choose. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you can know whenever I post. Take care. Bye bye.